Welcome back, watch enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey of elegance and craftsmanship with the new Meta's certified Tudor Black Bay, featuring the striking Burgundy Bezel. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your watch journey, this video is for you. Sit back and enjoy this silent unboxing video with music in the background. Don't forget to like and subscribe.